the victory of the vote of confidence by Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Joseph Vijay, is in my view a hard and tight slap on the face of Governor Arlekar. Personally, I believed that Governor Arlekar would have stood up to constitutional principles, and I feel with great respect to the constitutional post he holds that he let down that independence and frame of mind with which he should have taken a decision. Anybody may say the legal view that you show the numbers, but the governor always by precedence calls the leader of the single largest party to form the government, and the numbers is to be tested on the floor of the house. The numbers is not a parade in the Raj Bhavan. Even here, I remember in an interview, Governor Alrekar was saying, I don't want them to parade before me, but I want to be satisfied they have the number. That satisfaction is not for you to see. It was for your responsibility to call the leader of the single largest party to form the government. And despite having numbers almost crossing the majority line, Vijay was being denied the opportunity of being administered oath of office and secrecy and then going to prove his majority. I want to give you a list of cases, instances where under the BJP rule, governors have invited people who had no majority to form the government. First instance in 2017 in Manipur, BJP invited to form the government even though Congress was the single largest party, and that time the governor was Najma Heptullah. In 2017, the governor Mridula Sinha invited BJP to form the government in Goa even though Congress was single largest party. And I remember very well, an argument was made that no claim was made to form the government. That means no one staked claim. In this case, Vijay moved fast and staked claim, but that was forgotten. All that what happened was ignored. In 2018, Governor Vajubai Wala invited B.S. Yediyurappa to form the government despite no clear majority in Karnataka. And in Maharashtra, in 2019, Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari invited BJP and NCP, that was Devendra Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar, in an early morning ceremony without firm numbers to form the government. It's another matter that the government had to resign before the floor test. But this is what exactly has happened. The victory of the Chief Minister far beyond that majority line is what is the resounding slap on these people who proclaim that they uphold the constitution and constitutional values, and it's a lesson to the BJP that every force will unite to make sure that the BJP is kept out of power in as much as they use official machinery and the forces behind the scenes to ensure that non-BJP rule is not being allowed across the country. It is also quite curious that one candidate who lost an election, and his name is Periya Karupan of the DMK, who lost election, strangely filed a petition before the Tamil Nadu High Court, challenging the election of Srinivasa Setupati, a TVK MLA, saying that his counting of the ballots were not correct. And strangely, the High Court entertained the petition and granted a restraint order prohibiting this elected TVK MLA, Srinivasa Setupati, from voting in the Tamil Nadu Assembly floor test. Imagine, the government at that time was on nail's edge, and definitely every number, every vote counted. And despite the fact that the High Court in its order said that these matters are to be decided by an election petition, entertained the writ petition and granted an interim order, while at the same time saying that he is not dislodging the MLA from office. Of course, that MLA immediately approached the Supreme Court, and this morning the Supreme Court got shocked by reading that order, and one of the judges even said that this is atrocious, this kind of an order. It stayed the order and stayed also the proceedings before the High Court. So, this is a lesson for the BJP to learn that manipulation will not work always. You may do every trick in the book. You can bring out all your agencies from ED to CBI to income tax, everybody who is in your pocket will be brought out to threaten one or the other, but your game will not last forever. There is a full stop, and it begins here.